Would you pay $8,600 for a synthesizer?
Hey mom, keep it down. Try to rock it in the basement with the crowd.
The Teenage Engineering OP1 is a synthesizer I was looking at one point. My buddy Sam had one, and I've also seen a ton of YouTubers, including Cuckoo, Jade from Dallas Jammin', Bo Beats, Simon the Magpie was recently talking about it. I think Andrew Huang, Red Means Recording. Did I say that already? I don't know. But yeah, I see it's responsible for a lot of people making a lot of cool music, and I think it's a shame that it's discontinued. And I had always kind of wanted to get one, also because of the 4-track feature on it. I think it's really cool. It has a little tape machine on the screen, and you can record some stuff onto it. I always thought that was really sick. But I guess the screen is a big reason why it's being discontinued. And they also came out with a new offering, the OPZ, and they also have the pocket operators that I don't think operate anywhere near the same sort of realm as this thing. But anyway, I saw that the prices of them have skyrocketed since they've been discontinued. At first, there was only a few listings online with it, and now there's like a bunch more. I want to take a little quick look at it and talk a little about supply and demand. As you can see, the top one is $8,600, 21 bids, which is a shame because some poor bastard's gonna have to pay probably close to 10K for a synthesizer that's maybe worth 1,500 at most at this point. This guy wants 5,000 or best offer, 499 starting bid, or 10K buy it now. 4,500, 4,000. I mean, none of these have bids. I mean, this one, the first one has bids, I think, because it was one of the earlier ones up, and then people saw this announcement, and now everybody's been throwing theirs up there. So clearly, it's not as rare as people think it is, or maybe there's just a rush for people to sell theirs to unsuspecting gear nerds that really want this thing. So I mean, as you can see, the prices are just like have skyrocketed on this thing. I've just never seen such a crazy influx of people trying to sell something really quickly. I mean, I think it's great that people can try to make their money back on this thing if they don't want it, but clearly a lot of people either don't want it, didn't like it, or just don't care enough about it to keep it. They just want the money for it, which I understand. I guess if you got other stuff you want to buy. It just begs the question, though, is it really that great of a synthesizer if everybody wants to unload it now because they can make a bunch of money? But one thing that's interesting about eBay is you can actually check out the sold listings of items. So let's take a quick peek at what they've actually sold for. Wow, so I'm surprised. The top one, well, we're again listed price and shipping highs first. So the highest one that's sold so far is for $3,050, 2,700, 2,100. We got all through thousands, 1,600. Best offer accepted. So a lot of stuff with like 1,500, 1,400. December 11th, here you go, $800. So it's still possible to get these for a reasonable price, I think. And I think once all the hoo-ha ends concerning the discontinued, once the announcement gets a little old and another 100 listings for this thing go up, I think we'll see the price at least hopefully come back down. But I don't know. I guess it depends if you want it or not. Would you ever spend $8,600 on a keyboard? Do you have the OP1? What do you think of it? Is it cool? Every video I've ever seen it just makes me want to get it, but for me, I don't know. It's just out of my price range at the moment. So maybe in a few years, maybe they'll put out an OP2 or there's the new OPZ. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little quick video about that, like supply and demand, see what was going on with it. I think it's pretty fascinating stuff. And yeah, I hope you do something you want to do today. This is Mike from 424 Recording. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you nerd. And we'll catch you on the flip flop. We'll catch you in those eBay auctions for the OP1. Happy bidding.